guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. Today we're going to be making a mirrored glam wall hanging. And so what you'll need to get started is one of these clear acrylic trays from Dollar Tree. I also have 2 packages of these silver spoons. I've got 1 round mirror. I've got some of these self-adhesive diamond gemstones. I picked these up at Walmart, but you can find them on a half-sheet size at Dollar Tree. I've got just some wire cutters just to cut the plastic spoons, and then I have a paintbrush here. I've got some silver paint, Mod Podge. I've got some silver glitter, and also I have some of the iridescent glitter, and then some hot glue. And so these are the items that you'll need in order to get this project completed. So let's get started. Okay, and so in this container I have a little bit of silver paint mixed with my Mod Podge, and I'm going to be using this to paint over the back of this entire platter here. And then I'm going to be sprinkling it with a little bit of iridescent and silver glitter. Now I'm just going to use these wire cutters here to just cut the spoons down. Cut the handles to about like that. Now I have a round mirror here, and I'm going to go around the beveled edge of this mirror with some of these self-adhesive gemstones. Okay, now this is all dry, and as you can see, I got a nice smooth surface to work with here because I've put the glitter and paint on the back of this, so that's really pretty. Now all we have to do is we're going to take our mirror and we're going to center it in the center of this platter. I mean, you can measure this if you'd like to, if you really want it to be perfect, or you can just kind of eyeball it. I'm just going to kind of eyeball it, just kind of like that. And then I'm going to take a pen and just trace around. And you just want to do this because you want to have a circle, just a faint circle that you can use as a guide as to where to put your spoons. Now I'm going to add a row of gemstones right back here. There's a circle on this platter here that's a great line to follow to add the gemstones. So I'm going to go ahead and add the gemstones there. So this is a Dollar Tree frame, and I'm just going to take one of the clips out of the back, just pop it out just like that, and this is what I'll use as the hanger for the wall art. Okay, and so I'm going to go ahead and add the mirror to this and get this project all finished. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.